Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and what you're seeing actually up in the screen up here is a video that I did recently on Jasmy. I'm going to play you a little clip from this video that I did 3 days ago, laying out a prediction that played out exactly as I discussed, and I want to share with you why this is so predictable. Bitcoin is currently at a new all-time high, and with that move, we knew that Jasmy could perform in a way that I predicted. So first off, let me play this out for you, and then in this video, what I'm going to discuss for you is what happens to Jasmy next. But let me lay out the evidence for why. We've got some pretty decent predictions on Jasmy. Nothing's financial advice on this channel, but let's just play this clip very quickly, and then I'll get into the video and talk about what I expect coming next for the Jasmy crypto coin, because Bitcoin's breaking out, crypto's very bullish, and there's a lot of great things coming. Listen to this very quick. So where are we at right now with price action? Well, I'll tell you what, if we dip down below the 0.015 cent level, I would be surprised. And if we, so I said, I'd be surprised if we're going to dip down below this level. In other words, I thought we'd be holding this floor right here for Jasmy, right there. Why did I feel that way? Well, you can take a peek here. First of all, Bitcoin dominance has been absolutely blasting off as of late, and Bitcoin has been very strong. What does that mean? That means that Bitcoin is outperforming a lot of the altcoins, and I believe that Bitcoin is currently overvalued, and it is still rallying today. If there's one component to this that I did get wrong in that video, I said that eventually Bitcoin dominance is going to top out, and that is going to be when Jasmy has a really epic explosion. But I did feel like that was the floor. The only risk I had for Jasmy is if Bitcoin were to come down, then Jasmy could also come down. But guess what, guys? Here you're looking at the 15-minute candles. If I just actually go out to the daily candles for you for a second on Bitcoin, we'll take a peek at this. You'll see that Bitcoin, after being stuck in this range for 230 days, successfully rejected off that level, retested off the top of this level, and broke out to a new all-time high. Now, if you zoom in a little bit here, and we can take a closer peek at exactly what's going on with Bitcoin, and let's go down to the 15-minute candles again. Here's on the very small time frame, this wedge. This was on election night. Bitcoin was rallying. Then you know who won the presidential election. Now what we have is this wedge that played out. And earlier in my live stream today, I discussed how Bitcoin, right about here, I said, okay, we had about 2 hours, 3 hours before a breakout, and I thought likely to the upside. I wish I should have played you that clip as well. I made a prediction saying that we get a Bitcoin price pump to the upside, and I could actually pull it up on Twitter, but I'm not going to. And that's exactly what we had, because you can clearly see a wedge pattern here, and then what we do have is a breakout potentially all the way up to $78,000. So this is really spectacular, guys. We could have a breakout all the way up to $78,000. Seriously, tonight, this is still very, very possible. So what does this all mean for Jasmy? We made such a great prediction on Jasmy, and we held this level, guys. We did hold this level for Jasmy, as I discussed, this 0.015 level. I would have been very surprised if we came lower, because I was leaning very bullish on Bitcoin. And so now you're seeing Jasmy pump up from that lower level. If you had taken a trade from that 0.015 cent level, guess what? This thing is up 27% from where I was basically calling a bottom for Jasmy. How could I predict such a thing? Because it's just a matter of fact, guys, that when Bitcoin breaks out, and that's exactly what's happening right now, Bitcoin's in true price discovery. Bitcoin is literally at the highest price it's ever been in the history of the chart for Bitcoin. It is literally in price. Let me take away all these. It is literally in no man's land price discovery mode. What typically happens is we typically see the total market cap for cryptocurrency get a breakout, and that is exactly what we're seeing right here. You can see that Bitcoin and crypto overall, this is the total market cap, we stuck in this range for 250 days, and now on the monthly candle, we have a monthly candle breaking out of this range for the total market cap, and that is how I was able to determine that Jasmy was likely going to find a floor here. Now, if Bitcoin slipped the other way, which was always a possibility, especially upon the results of the presidential election, then we might have seen Jasmy come down. But I leaned bullish on this thing, and this is exactly what I told you guys. So now, what comes next? Well, let me just tell you this. The total market cap for cryptocurrency, again, as a monthly green candle breaking out. Bitcoin is in price discovery mode. I think that the total market cap is going to have about a 20% pump very soon in the month of November, possibly to break out to new all-time highs for the total market cap. And what that means very simply for Jasmy is massive moves to the upside. I think that Jasmy, in a hurry, as long as Bitcoin continues in this trajectory, can quickly 2x. Maybe even in the month of November, we could see Jasmy coin 2x. I actually do believe that. Get all the way up to the 4.5 cent level finally, as we've been waiting for, because now we have the parabolic breakout for Bitcoin. And I do believe that we could even potentially get to our peaks that we saw in the 2021 bull market, possibly rather quickly. And guys, if Jasmy coin gets to those levels, I mean, that is a 1,500x from here, right? Excuse me, 1,500% gain from here, not a 1,500x, a 1,500% gain from here. That's about a 16x from here. Now, that's not going to happen in the month of November, but it can begin. And what we need to see is Jasmy coin break past about 4.5 cents. I think that could happen very quickly. And then from there, in the next 6 months, guys, I do want to see Jasmy coin break out through this 32 cent level. And then if you go all the way back to the previous all-time highs for Jasmy when it first launched, yes, at one point it was up to $5. Can that happen? I don't know, guys. I don't know. That's tough to say because that's when Jasmy coin launched, and then you kind of have the initial investment that kind of sells off, and then you have the supply that gets released. And so now here we are. I would say that that's our true previous bull market all-time high. But I will say this. I think that it is possible for Jasmy coin to 2 or 3x its previous highs. And so what I want to say in this video is, if we can get a successful breakout to 4.5 cents, that's my first target. My next target for Jasmy coin is around that 32 cent level. And that's going to take a while to get to because we're going to have a nice little rally up to 4.3 cent first. And then we could, you know, in the next couple months, 3-4 months, maybe rally up to here. And then we're going to have a blow off top for Bitcoin and the crypto market. I think the bull market's going to end sometime in 2025. I think it could be a super cycle mega rally where altcoins explode because we have a pro crypto president. We have all these different things happening. If we can break through this 32 cent level, then I do believe that Jasmy coin could get to $1 still. So in the meantime, I'm looking at the 4.5 cent level. If you're looking for a trade, you can sign up to trade using our link pinned in the comment section for Jasmy. Again, if you had caught this trade right here, well, man, oh man, you would have made some tremendous gains. I mean, guys, that is a 27% move, 28% move for Jasmy. You could have potentially long that. Right now, I will say this. We are going to be facing some resistance in the short term for Jasmy right here at these levels, so I do not believe that this is a good long opportunity. What I would potentially be looking out for is a potential break through this level, a bounce off support here, and then a move to the upside. So if you see Jasmy coin break through this level at 0.023 cents and come back down, you know, 0.21, 0.22, come back down to 0.019 again, that would be a potential area for a long. Is there a chance we just blast through this level and absolutely explode? Yes. The main reason I think that that's possible is because total market cap's absolutely blasting off for crypto. And you can see that here, the monthly candles breaking out. So we're looking really good. That's my update for you guys on Jasmy coin today. Note, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but man, some killer predictions here on Jasmy we've had, and I think we've got some killer predictions coming up for Jasmy here in the future. I believe in $1 Jasmy. Do you? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bitcoin is absolutely breaking out. It's beautiful. It's spectacular. Crush the like button, guys. Let's celebrate some crypto victories. Let's make some money. DYOR, guys. DYOR. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash a like. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. See you next time, y'all. Peace.